Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this simple and very easy to make 4-ingredient sponge cake. This recipe makes 2 6-inch cake layers, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is combine the dry ingredients. In a small bowl, sift half a cup of all-purpose flour and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a mix and then set aside. The full written recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Next, we're going to break 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature for the best results. Now you're going to go ahead and beat the eggs on high speed for about 1 minute until the eggs are frothy. Now we're going to add in some granulated sugar and continue to beat. Next, we're going to add in some vanilla extract, and now we're going to beat this mixture for another 7 to 8 minutes until it becomes pale and creamy and really thick. The mixture should look something like this. As I said, the full recipe is available in the description box below, and I have lots of tips and tricks to make sure you don't end up with a deflated sponge cake. Next, we're going to add in the dry mixture from earlier in thirds, and we're going to fold gently between each addition. This cake recipe can be used as a base for hundreds of different cake flavors. You can frost and fill these with any frostings or fillings that you'd like. At this point, you want to be very careful not to overmix. Once you've added the last batch of flour, make sure to fold until it is only fully mixed. After you see no more flour streaks, stop mixing and move on to the next step. Now we're going to pour this batter into 2 lined 6-inch cake pans. If you would like to make 2 8 or 9-inch cake layers, you'll have to double the recipe. Tap to remove any air bubbles and bake in an oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Once the cake is baked, let it cool completely before cutting into it. And that's it. That's how simple this recipe is. It requires only 4 ingredients and it comes together so quickly. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make.